here installing this dash cam that I got off TikTok shop. It's actually a forward and backward dash cam, so let's see how it goes. Honestly, bro, it was like, I think like 23 bucks. So yeah, I'm gonna install it, show quality, show what this thing actually is talking about. And yeah, hope y'all enjoy the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, do whatever y'all want to do, and let's get to the video. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it. Let's see what's inside here. So it's like the dash cam itself, and then the wiring. Interesting. I wonder. I think this is for the rear. I guess you route it all the way back there, and then this is for the front. And then here's the window mount and the 64 GB SD card. Honestly, I don't know if 64 GB is a lot for dash cam. I might have to go get more, but yeah, let's get to it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug it in here and then route it to probably like somewhere on this general vicinity. I don't want it anywhere near this side, so somewhere in the general vicinity. And also, if y'all haven't seen my video, here is the ambient lighting that I just installed. I'm gonna pin that up above, but yeah, go watch that, because if you have a Mustang and you want to do some ambient lighting, this is a good instructional video. All right, so I've got it plugged in here, and then dash cam is now on forward and backward. As I can see the camera, it's a little weird. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna figure out how to mount it, or like where to mount it, because I want the forward and backward to face like the whole car, or like this camera too. So let me just figure that out real quick and I'll show y'all. And then also the wiring, I might actually put like through the A-pillar and stuff and come through, but we'll see. So this is where I position the dash cam. And what I'm doing now is I route the wire up, and I'm gonna just use my fingers to just literally just like put it through here real quick. And then I'm gonna get it to the end. I'll show you what I'll do next. So now y'all can see I got it through here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna route it. I pulled this off, just a few clips. So I'm gonna put this through here like this. Hold on. Like that, and then I'm gonna route it down here. I also managed to route this. I left this part on the corner just because I didn't want it to mess with the airbag, so there we go. But so let's see, got it routed here, down here, and here's the wire now. Honestly, it's not hard. You just kind of like push it through all these little like gaps. As you can see, like it's a little bit right here. The A-pillar was annoying to put back in, but it's a little finicky. Once you get it, you got it. But yeah, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna route this under here. There's plenty of space under here, so you can figure that out. But yeah, I'll show you what I'm gonna do in a second. Oh, there's somebody to clean that in a second. But route it down here, secured it back here, and then I've actually put it through here. I just want to make sure it's secure so there's no chance of the wires falling down and getting in the way of the pedals. But yeah, now we're gonna plug it in. Here we go. I kind of routed it a little bit with my LEDs, so I routed it down here, through here, and then that's the wire for it. Gonna tuck it in just a little bit more. I am gonna do the rear dash cam, which is right here. So basically same thing. You plug it in, route it up here, but instead of coming down here and then going down, you come down here and then you go up. So I'm gonna do that real quick. So now I've got it routed. It's routed. Actually, y'all can see it right here. So it's going back here, and then here's the wire. So let me keep going back for y'all. So now I'm in the back seat. I put some double-sided tape on this part and put it up here. So what I did was I routed it back here. It's now officially plugged into the power source. The excess wire I zip tied, and I'm gonna throw it up here. So let me do that real quick. All right, so as I'm gonna see, now it's routed, completely plugged in. Honestly, this was a lot easier than I thought it would be. So I'm gonna show you some dash cam footage here soon of what it looks like and the quality. But yeah, this was honestly so much easier than I thought it would be. It's a little dark back here, but y'all, I genuinely thought this would be something that was like so difficult to do. But honestly, it took me maybe 30 minutes, but it wasn't hard to do at all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sure everything works, and then I'm gonna go get y'all some dash cam footage real quick. A not so good sequence of events. My battery died. So let me actually jump start the car real quick, and then I'm gonna show y'all what this dash cam is like. Like, bro, it's struggling. Yeah, let me get some jumper cables. All right, y'all, we're back. After that unfortunate sequence of events, car's on, dash cam's in, and it's showing the back two and the passenger and the driver. Y'all, honestly, this is a really good dash cam. I'm gonna show y'all some footage here in a second, but yeah, Honestly, the place where I got it set up to, I put some zip ties on here. I'm gonna do better with the wire managing here soon, but for now, it looks pretty good. So as you can see, Dashcam itself is actually pretty clear. Obviously, it's not as clear as like a higher end Dashcam would be. You know, this was only $20, but it shows what you need to see. You know what I mean? If you're giving it to insurance or you're, you know, giving it in a fault accident, all you need to do is see the footage, and it gives you enough of that footage. So with that being said, y'all, hope y'all enjoyed the video, and make sure to like, subscribe, comment, do whatever you want to do. And yeah, video's over.